You helped someone today. You were polite. You shook a hand, smiled, said, "Sorry, man," when you bumped into him. You were patient, even humble. So don't tell me you don't know how. You know how to speak kindly. You know how to show respect. You just don't give it to her. The woman who's loved you, carried the weight, waited days for your help, the one who's still in your corner, she gets sarcasm, she gets silence, she gets slapped with an insult right after you feel good about yourself. And let's talk about that feeling you get right after you finally knock something out. You feel good, strong, like you handled it, like you didn't need her help after all. But what you're not seeing is that it was her who asked days ago. Her who tried to plan with you, coordinate, work together. You fought her, argued, dismissed, and when it finally got done on your terms, you used that moment not to repair, but to raise yourself up by tearing her down. That's not strength. That's bravado. It's not leadership. It's avoidance with a crown on it. Because here's the truth. You see her planning and preparation as control. But it's not about control over you. It's control over chaos. Over the tension she's been carrying alone. Why? Because you don't see her as a mirror. You see her as the reminder of everything you're trying not to face, what you've delayed, what you've ignored, who you haven't yet become, and it's easier to crack a joke at her expense than to say the words, "Thank you, I'm sorry, I'll do better." Here's what she feels. She just watched you speak gently to a neighbor, then turn around and humiliate her. No warning, no heads up, just control and condescension. She wasn't trying to disrespect you. She wasn't trying to embarrass you. She was just there, doing what she's always done, carrying more than she should have to. And what did you do? You punished her because you felt powerful for a moment and didn't know how to handle it. Here's the truth. She doesn't need you to be perfect. She needs you to be honest, to be kind to her the way you are to strangers, to see her, not as the cause of your stress, but as the one who's still here, even when you make it hard to be. You think you're keeping control, but what you're actually doing is losing her. And when she finally walks away, you'll realize you weren't just mean to the one who loved you. You were careless with the very thing you'll spend years trying to get back. It's not too late, but it will be if you don't learn how to handle the heart that chose you. With the same respect you give a stranger passing through. Genuinely Jennifer, powered by Sunnyside Life.